Hello friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. My name's Charisma and my channel is Collectibles for Resale, as you can see there. And today this is a first for me. I was able to snag up one fun box, and I just got this on Tuesday, and I got the notification on Wednesday that it was already in the system being processed by Saloni, Georgia. So I've never had one, so I don't know if one is any better than a different location, just other than watching people. So I'm very excited. I'm glad it's not Arizona. I'm surprised because I'm in Texas. But hey, nevertheless, very excited. It's a very small box from what I've seen with other people getting. Their boxes usually seem much longer, so I don't know if that's good or bad. So let's see. I'm going to take a look. So mixed rescue box, 10 pieces, and yep, ordered January 4th. So here we go. We are gonna just hop right into it. And yes, here's our infamous polka dots. Let's scoot this back a little bit. And I know my friend Clarissa at Thriving Thrifters loves her polka dot paper, and she likes to save it. And I also recycle all of my paper. Unfortunately, they did put a sticker, so I'm gonna have to cut some of it, but I'll do my best to recycle because I do enjoy the polka dots. So right off the bat, I'm like, is this clothing? Oh, okay. All right. So first item is a scarf. Okay, not something I would have bought, but you're gonna get what you're gonna get. So yeah, let me see. I don't know if you can see that very well here. I'll just put the box against here, make it a little easier to see. But yeah, it's just like a cream colored scarf. And actually, I'm here in Texas, which is hot all the time, but we've been having little cold fronts and cold weather, so I don't mind. I don't have a scarf, I don't think. So I don't see any name brand or anything, so it's probably just a no name. So that's not going to be for resale. Obviously, I'm sure nobody would want that. Let's see. There's something wrapped. Let's see. What do we got here? I'm terrified. I was going to get the jewelry, and I'll tell you what, for anybody else that's like me that struggles finding these boxes, I didn't know because I've only ever bought the one, and I didn't try to buy more than one. Oh my God, what is that? Kipling Joe. It's a little gorilla. I guess he's a little keychain. That is weird and random that these were wrapped together. Very strange. This is a very pretty tennis bracelet. I like it. But that was super random. Why was this in a bag? So what I was saying was, when I saw that they were up, yeah, that's for stained glass. I assumed that we could like combine shipping, and so I was like taking my time, went into the jewelry. There was a jewelry box, there was the fun box, and I was like, cool, they're finally up. Went in, put one in my cart, went back, and then realized that it removed the jewelry from my cart, so it was in the fun box. So I said, oh, I guess you can't do it. And so I literally clicked on it to add it, and it said the items in my cart were not available anymore, so the jewelry was gone. So I just hurriedly checked out of the fun box, so now I know. But that was just something, my first time experience. So if you're new and you're trying to do that, just, I guess, buy them one at a time. I don't know if there's any tips somebody who buys them all the time could give other than that. But yeah, I learned my lesson that way. So I would have had a nice jewelry box, I'm sure. But unfortunately, I just got a ThredUp fun box. But I've always wanted one, so that's okay. This is measuring 7 3/4. I don't know that I'll buy more of these because a lot of it is clothes and stuff that I don't want to list. So I prefer hard goods and jewelry. Oh, this is really nice. I like this bracelet. It's well made, has a nice lock. Oh, there is a maker on here. Okay, let's take a look. I didn't expect jewelry in it. So let me see. Let's take a look. I see something on the inside. I cannot make that out right now. So I'm going to have to, gosh, even with the magnifier, I'm still having a hard time. Not sure, but I will definitely look into this. Very, very pretty, and we'll see if that's any kind of, maybe I can sell that. The box was, I think it's a 32. Shipping was $6, and then with tax, I ended up paying like 40, 41. I don't know. I think it was like $3. Ooh, these are nice. I like these. I'm in the market for socks. I'll let my other nice reseller know. I'm going to buy some socks, but I'll have some more here. So this isn't bad for me. I actually would like to get some socks because I didn't want to go buy them. So these are nice. Women's woven socks. Smart wool. Never had these. So I've heard of them, and I've heard that they can be kind of pricey. So I'm excited for that. That's a plus. So 2 things for me. Maybe 1 thing to sell with the... So that's 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Should I count this? I guess as 4. I guess I'll count it as 4 because it came in there. Boy, be careful what you wish for. As I wanted some socks, and now I've got some socks now. So let's see. Sheer ankle, lightweight. This, for some reason, this tag looks like an Old Navy, but I guess this is the brand. Rich or Poor. Never heard of it. These are cute, but they look more like dress kind of. I don't think this is something I would use, so maybe I can list them for a couple of bucks on eBay or Poshmark. Maybe I'll get more, enough to make a lot of them. Okay, so let's see. So that's 2 pieces for me, the smart wool socks and the scarf. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. This is item number 6, leg wear, tights, Forever 21. I think that's a fairly inexpensive. Yeah, these were only $5.60 new, so I don't know that I'll ever... Maybe I'll get more than 1 thing and I can list them together. I don't know. So I'll hold on to them in case I get any more boxes and get that kind of stuff. Looks, I mean, this box is so small. It looks heavy clothing, which is weird to me because I didn't think it was really clothing, but let's just go ahead. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. This is 7. Luggage ID tag. I thought it was maybe Lily Pulitzer, but no, this is just like, oh, it's Very Bradley. That's cute. Okay, so that's a nice little piece. New with tag. I'm not mad about that. Can sell that for maybe $5. Wow. Wow. Okay, I hope this is new. Hope they would not send lingerie that is... Okay. Yeah, this was heavily marked down too. Windsor. Look at all these clearance tags. Medium. Windsor store. Some kind of nice bralette or... is that torn? No. It's got these pretty little, like, gold lame flower petals to cover your petals. So, it looks small. It doesn't even have, like, a 38. It doesn't have an inches. It just says medium. I don't know about this. That may go to a donate, depending. Let's see. More generic Nordstrom rack. Free press bralette, removable pads. Okay. Not to give away my age, but I only have a son. I don't have any daughters, and when I would be wearing stuff in junior high, I have no idea. I don't remember any of this, so I don't know if these things even sell or if they're for women or young ladies. I'm assuming it looks like for a woman, but it's just, I guess you can wear. I don't know what the whole thing with bralettes is. I really don't. I'm sorry. I have no idea. But Nordstrom rack was $12.97, so that tells me not super high retail. So, or resale. That's 9. This is 10. So I'm going to have at least more than 10 pieces, which helps. So Lug is a good brand. I know that. I had a Lug travel bag before that my mom got for me a couple years ago. And they weren't cheap. So this is box top. Oh, it's a storage container. That's kind of nice. I like that. I guess you could put cosmetics or what have you in there. And it's new. It says Lux box top. Little zipper here. This is actually nice. I don't think this is bad. This I'm sure I could sell for something. It's new. So, okay. That's 10 pieces. It's very heavy, so I'm thinking this last thing in here looks like a binder. I'm not sure what this is. This is 11. What is this? Some kind of like multi-travel set. I don't see any price tag, so I don't think it's new, but it looks super clean. Doesn't look like any use. I don't even know what you call this. I'm very bad with this. Sorry. But I guess it's some kind of like bags for travel, maybe? I don't know. I'll have to try and find out. But if somebody knows exactly what you call that so I can Google it, that would be lovely. And there's one more thing. So let's see. Oh, something definitely a lot of people don't want or need, but it's very Bradley, so maybe. Deluxe photo album. Thank goodness it is new. So maybe. I mean, so many people just do digital now, but retail price $24. Very Bradley deluxe photo album. So I'll try and sell that. So yeah. So we've got these travel bags. Very Bradley photo album. I believe that's everything. Let's see. Yes, that's everything in the box. So that's 2. Got our lug bag. That's 3. Got these sheer ankle hose socks. That's 4. The pink bralette. That's 5. Windstor. This is 6. The Vera Bradley tag. 7. The tennis bracelet. That's 8. Forever 21 tights. That's 9. I guess I'm gonna count this. That's 10. The smart wool. That's 11. I'm gonna keep those. And the scarf. So, for my first box, I'm not super impressed, but I have seen a lot of people get like really good boxes and then really crappy boxes. So, I think for me, I would stick with the jewelry boxes because that one that I did get was amazing, and I keep seeing everybody having like really good come out with that. This fun box, not so fun for me, but okay, you know. I don't think it was a total waste. I think I can use 2 or 3 things and maybe sell some of it. So I'm just excited that I actually got to try one because I still haven't had one. So, hey, you know what? You win some, you lose some. I don't think it's terrible. Maybe this was retail $25. Maybe if somebody's looking for it and they're a Vera Bradley fangirl, they might pay $10 or $12 for that. But they're heavy. That's the bad thing. These things are heavy. So who knows? And then this little piece might sell. So we'll see. I'm thinking I can recoup at least maybe $25 out of the 40, and then I'll keep the 2 items and maybe the jewelry. Who knows? I'll look. I have to see what that tag, what the maker's mark is. And yeah, who knows? Maybe this Joe Little Kipling keychain will be worth money. Who knows, right? I'm gonna have to look that up. So thank you guys so much for coming in to watch this. I appreciate all of you that are subscribed. I have some new subscribers, so I thank you. I appreciate everyone that has been supporting my channel, watching. If you give it a thumbs up, that really helps push it out in the algorithm that you hear so much about, to get my videos seen, and then hopefully, eventually, you know, it'll grow the channel. So I hope everybody has a lovely day. And the next video should be, I believe, I did get a notification. I have a Jomar, another wholesale jewelry lot coming in. And I also tried another item that they had. So that'll be a little surprise item. Just a little extra little, you know, thing to throw in. They were doing like percentage off, free shipping, all that stuff. So I took advantage of that. Got a few things. So, all right, you guys. I will see you in the next one. I should be having a jewelry unboxing next. And yeah, thanks again. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Happy New Year. Whenever you're watching this, stay safe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.